like 9:30 right now. We have a flight 6 a.m. tomorrow. We're gonna sleep in the airport, hang out at this Pizza Hut buffet in the airport for like a few hours. Why not? I never thought of having a Pizza Hut buffet in the airport is genius. We're trying to change our ticket as well to see if we can extend it and stay for Lollapalooza. So Quinn's doing that. I'm making some calls. We'll see what happens. Well, our flight, we switched it for free to Sunday. We were trying to get these free Lollapalooza tickets. This is crazy. Like literally everything we talked about, we were gonna pay to cancel our flight and change the ticket. And now, thank you for helping us. 1 second.
I don't know, like some excitement.
So we are hyped because literally we manifested this. We've been talking about it for 3 days. We almost canceled our flight and bought a new ticket.
But how about changing your ticket for free?
And hopefully for a place to stay because we have nothing booked.
So now we've got tickets for Monday instead of tonight.
And we're about to eat at this Pizza Hut buffet because we haven't eaten since 10 a.m. and it's like 10 p.m. Last minute finding accommodation has not gone so well. It's now 12:30. We're still at the airport trying to find somewhere to stay. We were going to book a hotel with points. We took too long. We were indecisive. And now we're trying to find out if they'll let us just show up and use the points, but we can't book online now. It's so late. Wish us luck.
Right here,
I think we've spent like almost 200 reais in Ubers today for no reason. We just caved. We blew 25,000 hotel points to book a 5-star hotel because that's the only thing that was available. It is 2 in the morning and we are exhausted. Thankfully we were able to pull this through, otherwise we had no place to stay. A few people actually offered, but we didn't have Wi-Fi to receive the message. I'm pretty sure they're asleep, so thank you to those who offered. We love you.
Maybe tomorrow night.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow night.
Bro, what was his name?
I don't remember. Very nice. Very basic. Oh my gosh. Good morning from our very expensive hotel room that we didn't want to get, but we are here at the top of São Paulo and we have about an hour to figure out where we're going next, and we have no plan. Trying to get these tickets to Lollapalooza when you haven't eaten anything.
I'm really hungry. So we just got out of a 2-hour Uber ride in traffic, and now we have about 15 minutes to get our tickets at the box office. We got free tickets, so we're good, but we gotta get them. Wait, you've been following along with the adventure. Everything is raw and real. We got them. Got it. We're ready. We got it. Let's go. Let's go. Who did it? We did it. We did it. After everything we've been through in the past 24 hours, we made it. Lollapalooza 2019, baby. São Paulo, are you ready? having some fun, doing laundry. The essential part of traveling.
The best thing is getting to use a dryer.
The button-up shirts.
You think they'll shrink?
Yeah, I know they will.
Because this is for real.
I think it's time for an update. We haven't updated anything.
Yeah.
So you can. No. You're going to be a part of it. So anybody who's been paying attention the past 24 hours will know that it has been a crazy 24 hours. This is Jess.
Hey.
She offered us to stay with her when we had nowhere to stay. We were homeless. So we didn't know each other. She messaged me on Instagram and she told us, you know, we were welcome to stay with her. So we gave her all of our bags with all my camera equipment, and we trusted that she wasn't going to kill us in our sleep. So we're still alive. Today is another day of Lollapalooza, and she speaks
Saturday.
perfect English.
Oh, that's sweet. Not true though.
Very true. So she's taking us around São Paulo, telling us also the worst places to eat in the city.
Most expensive.
In the city.
And the most expensive places.
That is the update.
Ciao.
Ciao. So Jessica is going to explain where we are.
We're in the market of the city with fruits.
What is it called?
Mercado Municipal.
That's the name. Muito grande.
We don't know what this is.
Dragon fruit. I think this is dragon fruit.
No, my blood.
So this is the aphrodisiac,
Você não tá sentindo calor?
I'm taking
and he brought it to his wife. You're saying,
his wife.
Eles são de Nova York.
tá bom? Tá bom? So out of nowhere, as we're getting ready to head to Lollapalooza.
So, we are here, day two. Lollapalooza, Saturday.
Pouring rain.
And check it out, everybody has these ponchos on because it was pouring earlier, it was
We got
flooding.
ours, but we're not gonna put it on until it's necessary.
It was
Nice
flooding in the
talking to
city.
you.
And tonight we got Post Malone
Odessa,
and Odessa.
Aoki, Don Diablo.
So, should be very nice. Very nice.
like 6 a.m. We just got back. We ended up backstage, Lollapalooza. Met some friends. Ended up getting to the after party with Coons. Then after Coons, we went to another after party. Lots of things missed, but we didn't want to be the ones to have a GoPro out in the after parties, you know. So here we are at 6 a.m. getting some water, some punch cable. It's time for sleep.
Day 3 Lollapalooza and our last full day in Brazil, so we're gonna make it a good one. Kendrick Lamar today. Last night we saw Post Malone, Coons, Odessa.
Odessa was by far like the best performance of the.
Time for security.
Pode entrar com isso aqui. Calma aí. Ó, tá vendo esse tripé aqui, ó? Então você não pode entrar com ele.
Ah,
Entendeu?
In the street, oh show.
Ah, please. I don't like it.
I got. DNA. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Big shot.
hold on, wait.
Hey, you know what it is, man?
No.
Outside, you know. Why you be emotional? How you be emotional? Yeah, big shot. Hey, you know what it is, man? So I can fuck the world. Hey, everything good. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix.
So that is a wrap. Lollapalooza 2019, São Paulo, Brazil is officially over. It was really, really dope weekend. Met a lot of amazing people. Tons of music and everything. Big thank you to Drake, friend Chance's brother. He really hooked us up big time. It's been real. Brazil, it is officially time to leave. We'll be on our way to Colombia tomorrow. So that is a wrap. Time to clean this mess of a place up and get on out.
Colombia, here we come.
We are back where it all began a few days ago. This time we are 3 hours early to our flight, so there is no missed flight today. Off to Colombia.
It's about time.
We enjoyed
I
São Paulo.
think we're ready for it now. Before we felt like
We were missing out.
we needed some more time here. But after Lollapalooza,
A great Lollapalooza. We are ready. So,
ready for the Colombiana vida. Colombiana.
so we'll see you in Colombia. Ciao, Brazil.